In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero invoices. If you're running a business, keeping track of your invoices is absolutely crucial, not just for maintaining your financial records, but also for ensuring that you're staying on top of your receivables and payables. Xero, one of the leading online accounting software options, offers a seamless way to manage your invoices. So whether you're a seasoned Xero user or new to this platform, this guide is designed to help you navigate through Xero to find your invoices quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Once you've logged into your Xero account, you'll start by locating the Business tab. Now, sometimes you might have to navigate through the main menu a bit to find it, but generally, you should be able to spot it without too much hassle. The Business section in Xero is essential as it's the hub where all transactions related to your business are managed. By clicking on the Business tab, you're one more step toward accessing the invoices you need. Next, once inside the Business section, you should click on the Invoices option. The Invoices area is really the heart of Xero when it comes to managing your invoicing data. This is the place where all your incoming and outgoing invoices are neatly organized, offering you easy access. Whether you need to find an invoice you've sent to a client or one you've received from a vendor, this is your go-to section. It's incredibly convenient to have all this invoicing information centralized, whether you're looking to manage payments or track outstanding bills. As you're navigating through this process, you'll probably notice that Xero's user-friendly interface is designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. The platform's intuitiveness really shines here, with clear labels and logically placed features that help streamline navigation. Here's a useful tip if you're trying to track down a specific invoice amid many transactions. Make the most of the search and filter functions available within the Invoices section. These tools are fantastic for quickly finding an invoice by criteria such as date, amount, or even the name of the client or supplier. Additionally, Xero offers various resources and support tools to optimize your invoicing efficiency. You'll have the opportunity to explore features like setting up recurring invoices or customizing invoice templates to enhance your invoicing operations. In conclusion, finding your invoices in Xero is a straightforward process. Simply log into your account, navigate to the Business section, and click on Invoices. This provides you with a comprehensive view of all your invoicing transactions. Remember that keeping organized records of your invoices is not only crucial for maintaining financial records, but also for effectively managing your business's cash flow. I hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to find your Xero invoices. Whether you're new to the platform or aiming to optimize your use of its features, following these simple steps will have you managing your invoices like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make managing your business finances smooth and efficient.